welcome to another video. So I'm going to show you how to make a pretty good paper airplane and test it, because I'm not very good at these, but I'll try, and I'll try to help you guys if you're trying to look for these videos. So let me show you what it is. So first, you're going to want to get a paper. Step 1, get a paper. And I got the paper. Okay, so step 2, you're gonna want to fold the thing. Hold on, guys, I'm doing something. You're gonna want to do this. If you have this paper, then you're gonna want to fold one of the long sides. Fold it like this. So let me do that. It's step 1. So, step 2. If you have your paper like this, then open it. Then it should look like there's a folded crease in the middle. And then, you're going to want to fold it like this. Hold on, I'm going to show you guys in a minute. I'm doing it myself. Look, you guys are gonna want to do this. I'm not a pro at this, but I'm doing this so you guys can have better stuff. Okay, so there. Fold it like that. I didn't do it perfectly, but then you're gonna want to fold it like this. Like this. Like this. Then fold the parts, and then again, and you're gonna want to do the same thing one more time. So do that. Fold it there, and fold it there. There. So at the end, it should look like this. Then you open it in the middle, and then where you creased, you're gonna want to just like this, open it a little bit, and then just do this, and fold it in the middle, and then just crease it right here, and then there you go. You have yourself a little paper airplane. Oh yeah, I don't know if I guys told you if this is going to be a paper airplane, but this is a paper airplane. But yeah, you can just look at the title. I'm so sorry, guys. Sorry, this phone fell down. The camera fell down. So yeah, just let me finish this. Whatever, there. It should look a little similar like this, kind of. It should look something like this. So, guys, I'm going to put the camera right here. Right here. So, guys, look. I'm going to go a little back. Here, look at this. It goes pretty far. Well, hold on. Let me do it one more time. Look at this. I'm going to go all the way over here. Ooh. Oh, that wasn't very good. Let me try one more time. Boom. Whoa, that landed on the sofa. That is how you make a good paper airplane. Bye, guys.